Let's see how to use iPad as second monitor Windows 11. In the first step, open Settings, then navigate to System. After that, choose Display. In the next step, tap on Projecting to this PC, then set it to Available Everywhere. Now change PAN requirement to Never. In the next step, get SpaceDesk on Windows. Now install SpaceDesk driver. Now launch SpaceDesk app. In the next step, install SpaceDesk on iPad. Then ensure iPad and PC use the same Wi-Fi. After that, open SpaceDesk on iPad. In the next step, pick your PC in the iPad app. Now press Connect, then modify display settings on Windows. You are good to go.